name's not actually Bert.
Hey guys, so it's on-call week for me, and thought it might be kind of fun to have you ride along with me today. I'm actually going in a little bit early. I'm working the night shifts, but I get to come in and help my family out in the mornings because I'm not available to dispatch till 1:30 today, and I'm headed to fix my brother-in-law's AC. And when I say AC, I'm talking about his work trailer AC, okay? So he works out of the back of a trailer, cleaning blinds, and he's got to have that trailer cool, because if it's not, he's probably going to be sweating while he's working in Florida, you know what I mean? And nobody's got time for that, right? Anyways, so I'm gonna go fix that AC unit. I'm cool with working for family, you know, on my own time, as long as my company, Kalos, making a profit. I'm going to be charging full price. Brothers, brother-in-laws, full price. Except for my mom. Kalos is not making a profit off of my mom, right? I'll be doing that on my own time. And, yeah. But, anyways, I enjoy working, doing stuff for my family, as long as I can get some food out of it, some coffee out of it, you know what I mean?
Hi.
Hey, Ruben. How you doing?
Good. What's that?
What does it look like?
Kirby.
Hey, Melissa.
It'll be breading you?
The what?
Breading you.
Oh, yeah.
That's you.
This can be me?
Yeah.
You want me to play a game with you?
Yeah. And you have a picture?
Uh-huh.
You didn't have a camera?
Yeah, it's a camera and a picture.
Mom, look.
Oh my gosh.
That's Tipsy. It's Tipsy.
Tipsy?
Yeah. Tipsy. It bites it.
What's
Oh, my
chip?
clothes. It's
Oh, Gypsy.
Tipsy. Clothes.
It sounds like you're saying tipsy.
Tipsy. Just bite my claw.
Okay, you can keep this because I'm not going to be able to play. Okay, you can keep this because I'm not going to be able to play.
You're not really fun, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
My little sister.
This is my mommy. That's my mommy. You? Hi.
What's the duck's name?
Peepers.
Peepers?
Yep.
How do you know which one's which?
Both of them.
Which ones? Are they both called Peepers?
Yep.
Oh. So this is their sad home AC right here, and you hear that? You hear that motor? I mean, listen to that. That motor has been over-amping and whining for about 1.5 years now. When I checked it, quoted it last time, and it's still going. But it really is. It's really a miracle. It's a sign and a wonder.
You know what's this?
Is that for the dryer?
Yeah.
I know a lot of stuff, Ruben. I know more stuff than your dad does. You think that's true? Probably not. But I probably know more than your mom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's my younger sister. That's fair.
Hey, look at Jesse.
Yeah?
You're on camera. Can you open the gate?
Yeah, that would be great.
How much power does it need?
This is my brother-in-law, Nate. Alright, so how does it normally run?
Generator.
Oh, okay, we're good then.
Okay.
Alright, that's all I was basically asking.
Yeah.
Where's this thing at?
Up there.
Oh. Let's get up there and see. There it is. Alright. Wow, Ruben, you're so strong.
Whoa. Well, of course he's Superman. Didn't you see that?
I did see that.
See?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
You could probably pick up my truck and carry it over there for you if you wanted.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
All right, now fly up there and put it on the roof.
Yeah.
Quick, okay.
No.
You want to leave some work for Jesse, don't you, huh?
You gonna fly up?
No.
Not today. And then on the weekdays, we get to come in the afternoon. If we're working out late, get a little catch-up time.
Okay.
So I could be working out till
There's 2 more on the front.
3 in the morning.
Yeah.
And so then it's nice to have some catch-up time.
Oh yeah. So it's more like today is like a light day then, I guess.
It's all his fault. The only thing not starting is our compressor, and the wire diagram shows it does have a start assist, and following the wires back, it looks like it's going to be down inside there somewhere. So I'm going to head down inside the trailer, get it figured out. But this is how this works. We got our indoor path right here. Seals off that way. Evaporator, pan, and blower attached to the same motor. There's our condenser fan right out here. And compressor with capillary tubing as our metering device. Pretty cool. So here it is.
Whoa! I can see up there.
Yeah, you can see all the way outside.
That's cool.
So this is what your daddy works in?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
He does, he's
Alright, so I'm going to check for voltage going to my compressor for the board. Nope, not even trying. Wow, that is cool. I'll bring you guys down here to see this. This is our thermal switch right here, and it just sits on top of this compressor. This is all new to me, so, but it sits on top of this compressor right here, and then breaks power coming into our common. Pretty cool. So we'll test to see if this is open across here, and then it looks like we have a melted wire, which might be the only problem. That would be great. What? Is there just one thing to do? Yeah. Nope, there's a lot of things to do. See that? It's probably a problem. It's not enough connection through that to actually start our compressor. Yeah. So we're gonna clean that up. And it can be pretty hard on a terminal that's rusted out. You gotta be real gentle with it. I'm trying to clean it up. And then I'm gonna use some electrical grease and a terminal kit that I have on my van always. I'm gonna try that. What's happening? Here comes my refreshments. That's why we're here. Let's face it. Good Southern iced tea. It's so sweet. You could float a horseshoe. I don't know how that goes. It really wasn't smooth. It's really sweet. And I like sweet iced tea. Almost as much as I like unsweetened. There's my tea. All right, Ruben. I'm so excited. Classic Bert is filming myself drinking. Oh, it actually is really good. Respect. Here's your compressor terminal kit right here, and this screws down and pushes your spade into the terminal. You put your terminal on the top here, right in this V, and your spade underneath. Just come closer and watch. Like that. And then voila. And you tighten the screw, and it tightens down onto that. There it is, that's tight. Pull that.
So it'll just repair the heck out of it.
Just keeps repairing the heck out of it. Yeah, what's up, Ruben? What, food's ready? Yep. All right, thanks.
So they would never, their policy is never recommend replacement. Just keep fixing it.
But can you come up and grab the bowl and then go down and then bring it back to me?
No, I don't need
On
your stereotypical anti-feminine slavery on your video where you're promoting stereotypical housewives that bring food to their hardworking men and they're just waiting for
You need to learn something about the filming industry. Yes, the filming industry is all about conforming to your audience, regardless. And if you want to have success.
And if my audience wants to continue to promote the misogynistic way of living, then I don't want an audience that listens to that kind of crap. And I'll start cussing on your video. Then how are you going to use that?
Yes, please.
She's an absolute nut. On the way here, I told everybody this is why I'm coming. As long as I can get some food out of it. So where's my food? Because I'm here to work, right? And to eat. Food. Food. Food.
Safe to turn it back on?
Mm-hmm. It's running. Woohoo! You see that, folks? It's running. Woo! I mean, sure, it's pulling 9 amps, but we're not going to be concerned with that. We're just happy it's running. All right, it can be turned off since everything's open. You don't want to run it much longer, but. Woo!
You did it, Jesse.
We fixed it.
You did it.
Woo! All right, look at this hack job. Brother-in-law special, right there. I had to cut out the side of that in order to get it to fit. That way my thermal switch was still being pushed onto here. But it worked. And it's back together every day. I did, Melissa.
Oh my God!
I did. I fixed it.
That's awesome!
I don't know if you're supposed to go in there.
Do you think I did a good job? And now your daddy doesn't have to sweat while he works. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty spoiled if you ask me. Me having to come in early so this guy doesn't have a little sweat under his armpits. I did it. I'm fixing stuff. What are you?
What does it look like? I'm fixing stuff.
What are you doing? Hannah, pull the door shut. That was fun. I'm out.